Festival Dances 2025. Our third placer. Pinirmahan sa tuwang Judge number 1, Chairman of the Board, and Judge number 2. Ladies and gentlemen, our third placer goes to Barangay Di Palawan! Or sakit na to? Sakit ba? Sakit! Ladies and gentlemen, our second placer. Alam mo, ito sa operator na, ito sa technical, kanado. Makapalit ako sa tinataka, kaya lang nilupin, at ito sa reverse. Ladies and gentlemen, our second placer for our Festival Dances 2025. Kamay na kita ilikas at champion. 4.66 agad ang likas nila to. Our second placer goes to Barangay! What's the name? Congratulations, Barangay Bachelor! Our grand champion of our Festival Dances 2025. Again, ang dili matawag automatic maka-receive of 5,000 pesos. Wow, dato tayo kapansaman. Pero, dato tayo kapansaman. Pero, nagsimot ko naman sa kitakta ko na buka. Pero, ladies and gentlemen, our grand champion for our Festival Dances 2025 in celebration of Barrio Fiesta Kabatsakan. Congratulations, Barangay! Barangay! Sige, sige. Papanatin siya naman na ha. Ano ito po ba? Ang videographer. Ang videographer. Sir Joey, ready? Are you ready? Dapat in-appropriate ako sa winner tanan mo ang back-o strategy for our videographer. Ladies and gentlemen, our grand champion for this year's Festival Dances 2025 and celebration of our Barrio Fiesta of Kabanjanan 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, our grand champion